Nuer Malakal nyam ka nas diala kontin barwani wasame. Tekon ke breaking news, breaking report. Breaking report me bukonaling bere wish ka penal akule la Malakal. Me a very serious, very concerning news. Mi beka Malakal mi bukon dial rodan palping kalinge. Court worker I wika Malakal. Chalado chetek kurm jitu wagan winemi. Awa cha deni tungwan cha umika bot. Ka community ni dangro going karodian. Jang kene tet. Right now, dual me di chiban ka Malakal, right corner. Bana right, thin report me. And koro mo me chituogo. So where me did. But I didn't know she me taught. Me did, kor me did. Kaja report me kon me chituogo Malakal bana jeling. Ka nga gwainke ka duoba dien to korke jamo ka ban madana chalad netin continue won tenten wanamo ala local source ban madan chikanat bana janinkel ka ngum nyode ka Malakal ki siam terbe to ko kol wasenbe ko siang beje si kor motor kor midit o mechi ka tuok ka Malakal gwana ka dial kajan report me bukon dial linga duor tuok tiang ka wadar an wale shanka diesh ka pay jokrun kina dangro jandangro baken akula tuok no keta welkel ala 11 p.m. jan tuoga jama so much wakaling ka Malakal town kajo chalat te local community ki local source netin kon tin nyenya ngwasmo awa ke dini jane la abushok militias dini jane ka Malakal wa chicken based and based on a base dini agwelling militia jana base a joint operation force atiga tin kan tat katiga tin kan ne di chalgati ja akure tuogo ko gon ko tika leng mugwa wa jadi ni dang bakal jamu ka bot kan report ka kwi miteram chites nien kanalat tell official statement mishalat chalaro de indang bakan tiken ka bot ka joran chalat ni ka jan warma of course a kurum bechi kurumi delarno kurume matot wa ken denin chalka toya bishop wa kan chara yaleka ano bikan agwelek force ki di ni tan ni bikan ka yan mach wa kan ni di chalke jang ti wa ti ga michigan lar ne ken yam ka ripodan chalat no wa gwan mitie ke sen Bakita Church te karamisha de nekten la attempted murder bichi de talk te ramisha de neka ken ngwasmo kan korme kan network 181 ngwadmo shuke gaj kenitin kontin la tet ko diogo den wo tet sholo community charandi ni chaja de nakono waka kore misharan chade nego tie kalwakos wa in the same church wa take a border rider ki gel motor ba michi jien we ke jene area mo je chub lwakodo tie ga lwakot wa chwa nang ni ngwasmon ka report ko let che tin kon naka shirami a tet kule jieno tuka jien cho jien ka de kolar shirami yes shirami wutet ka ki gatet ka jieno muwe ka motoro wa chu de wona ga ngwa mon ki a jang bu ci jien ka jan gwasamo ya kule de wona from there. So in this meta chala de jenyo the guano ramana na chi jen de la jang me chupa jem chala bakita chojo ya de gur no nakaja nena ngwadan wa chwa security chwa ya kan la join operation force chwa ya ka gwadam real ka ko kan bukan gwadam bukan gang la civilian in ka jen area dan charan de nekta. Yeah, so according to report, makan tar la de go ko kurmdi wa operation force mo chagare la ka ke de indi chamat. Ini amato, no, no kwa bishop force ke kwa kan ne di shal ka ti tet. But anyway, chala do cha deploy ko we can area we can control big civilian we can protect. No ka chicken kolbule jaka wunya wa mi chino mo chetuogo cha de mo cha jalot kwake ka kore nkulu teke tiang no chwala do nene en join operation dan an chala gwasamo wa shu teke di ni ti chanu naka balit county we mean that no ka balit ka ja ken shwa kanu ken di to chal ka bushok militias ke di ni jane tengai konen wo te naka balit counties then from there you bin Malakal ya kanu ngwat I should den ka Malakal wa de wajen wa connection count to ko kor maybe join operation dan an chare laka de go jeno ka gat 10 de go jeno agwelek force chu kana agwelek force yan match wa abjong malaysia kan de kon yat ka agwelek force match la agwelek force don mi jiram kuje ke de ni wure shalame General Johnson lo de je kon several team go gwada shana ganen wo she tired ni shi nyin ka kan jang jang kan ni I mean tired kan mai ka mundian jang wi ka Malakal jang apadang idin ka padang mai kan mun tired so for that reason chu tene ka tired chu ko dio ko ma ne shwana chu tired ya bunak bunere ya ka Malakal and atim kula pai to ka bakita church la sen bakita church gwigejen dong ere konen wa na karandong gwigejen dong ga 10 ya de ne ko then ki ga ne ti di shalgati jang ja de ne ko and then shwa join operation force shwa yuri ala ka ko bi na ba kan ga ngwa da mone in a state ke jen where ku kon de tin and then shwa ga yu yat ma so right now la abushung militia gor kan o cap kan rek Malakal la gur kan joy kan agwelek force militia rar tam dan dio je kon dia lingane me ti tat chicken shoot chol kan ne kien tin chol ga agwelek force no di nu njok wanku tan ngaji no ne sholo community gadi ni chol ga wulu te kore busy nyenya kan wore ke nyenya ke kuma espelayo so you kon en sholo community ko en dinka padang yola kona linisiang kulcha doctor ko nyala roja ni siang no mike mundian all the time and mundian mike mo de waje jen go take ka tit diala ti ko na me chin me mutin ka ko run tongwan na kana la da mai kumundian jen ko la la ni chitati kan gujino kan buga mat ka jang ko dong bu jang pele ka ci jang mundien bu ma and all that so me le rod so antama murai kona kan dinti nyen jum ko yen le ngano chi kore jeto la ko tore ya Malakal den chara do ci re akel gwadan je tokten kun nala dirga jama kare re ak ti civilian teketen civilian tin tere gwada mo tin wara wa most of them kan wara ko lar no ko wara ala do shikante ka POC ki ka DP cam la cam dan ti UN tin dia je calling ne konin paiwe en cam chakam netin kontin la juwich la government. So right now, can keep me a very laughable situation if you look at it, coach. Paika come camp, Paika come refugee camp, key IDP camp. A chicken lad of became a man. Dear Jay, she con with me Jacob Dollar, she con Roger, we make a president, some became Yadi de no. Tell an area, you know, and Tamagona, you needed to take a camp, big a barrar, big a take then become a bull, kelka community, and honor. And I can go no situation, Malakal still fluid situation, maybe situation mukwa. So right now, can this situation get a contact? Can this force, I will force can have bishop force. I will force doing 10, Mentepin Johnson, a bishop force a doing Jan. Dear general taping with a Michel Gaishol ton ballock. So a mission they have been active. Malakal. So which you can calling which to the content which they laro can content contrary Malakal. Go tear chicken terek. Tear within a terek chicken one tear within the Alcaca POC. So Johnson is busy ka jongley. Nyanya ka kuma spela you know naga Nuer ko taping sampa kim yadit ngay kon di ala jen en tad me jen na cha kwanya la ko disarmament men te tol men taping you know ji kon di ala ngaji no Johnson lu ke determination me dan me la Nuer kan nakka you know shwa ga parliament man plan ken right now ne ka kan len set le situation come on to Malakal. So Mishir Kanamani Malat get at Kokon Beje. Right now, situation there no charo le nyokami led road. Idea earlier she con and wish atenika would take Mishi the fact. The fact I will force a week kuma spilla or deal shining take a general dang doctor shit yai. Katia can kakume I will force can a kid gua. So man go on writing long I will force and woman take a can tell little load. Qui aspilayo kapay kan lad no chuar te kan Nuer mum palien ko kan dial charen lat kan ka kume malakume kem yadit ko mo kem yadit ka day mo je kamach no kan Nuer ora ina mi chekan ngano ko see clearly ma anu dasan mete we dana ko kan ki ko kan please ka je ke ja kan lo de ka te no ba palika che de mun to so jen mun te kan me ne din mon tama che korche to ka jin werma no quite quick down is a penton but a core medit so no me there guano di na match ne take Malakal they are worried okay you know a chushka a gwaza me gor je no belat no ka to on le le ga jene ko ken in Malakal tension is rising. Violence has been reported. Several soldiers have been injured. Communities are accusing each other, and fear is growing among residents in Malakal. In Apanal, you can say that. This is not just a small incident. Many people believe this situation could grow into something bigger if both leaders in the Sholo community and Dinka community do not act quickly. In this report, we will explain what happened in Malakal, who is being accused, why tensions are rising, and what local sources are saying, and what this could mean for the future of peace in Upper Nile. According to the report, on Tuesday night around 11 p.m. in Malakal, gunfire was reported in Malakal town. According to local sources, a group believed to be Abushok militias attack a base belonging to the Joint Operation Force. And this Joint Operation Force, it contained both the Sholo and the Dinka Apadang, according to the report. These are the people that were deployed there, to protect people. During the attack, according to the information, soldiers were injured. At the time of this report, there has been no official statement from the government authorities confirming the detail. However, multiple local sources say the attack did happen. The Joint Operation Force had only been formed one day before this attack, and this makes the situation even more serious. Why was this force created? Okay, let's explain in detail. Just the day before the attack, according to the report, there was an attempted killing near St. Bakita Catholic Church. This is according to Fashura TV. Fashura TV belongs to the Sholo community. And they say this incident shocked many residents. People say the violence started escalating after that event. Soon after, a motorcycle rider was reportedly killed near the same church area. That killing increased fear in the town and raised anger among community members. Because of this incident, authorities decided to form the Joint Operation Force. The purpose of the force was to control security, protect civilians, and prevent further violence in Malakal. But only one day after this formation, the base of this force, the Joint Operation Force, was attacked. This has raised many questions. Who is behind the violence? Why is Malakal becoming unstable again? According to the local source, claim that suspected Abushok militias were brought from Balit County day before the clashes. These security or just these sources say the group has been accused of increasing insecurity in Malakal. However, there has been no official confirmation from authorities. At the same time, the Sholo community is now making serious accusation. Members of the Choli community are accusing Dinka Apadang group of attempting to grab their land. This land dispute is not new. Community leader, it has been going on for almost a year. This is what the community leaders said. They say tension have been building slowly over time. Now with the recent shooting and attack, those tensions are becoming open conflict. The situation also connected to large political and military tension in Upper Nile. The Agulek forces under the leadership of Johnson Lunya have been active in the region. And, Johnson Lunya, has long been a key military figure in Upper Nile. And we all know that is in the front line fighting force linked to SPLIO under Salva Kiir Mayardit. There are also accusations that force linked to Kiir are targeting Oluñ force in Malakal. So, based on the report that we have, some community members believe the goal is to weaken Oluñ presence and take control of land in the area. This claim have not been officially confirmed, but what is clear is that mistrust between communities and an army group is growing, and when mistrust grows, violence often follow. People in Malakal are worried tonight. Residents say they are living in fear. So business owners are concerned, parents are worried about their children. Nash movement has reduced. Many people remember the past conflict in Malakal. They fear the town could return to widespread violence if leaders do not intervene quickly. Last week, we can say last week, we have seen the handover of POC. The POC was handed to the government of Upper Nile so that they can control and protect the civilian. But just even before all this happened, many people have experienced such situations. That is why the community reacted when the POC was handed over to the government. And most of the people that live in POC, they are from Sholo community. So that is also concerning that people might try to target this community that are living in POC. So it is just fear. And also we have heard that the governor of Upper Nile, Jacob Dollar, visited Juba and also did talk to President Sepeki Mayadit, and he told Kid that we are working very hard so that these communities that are living in POC can come out and build their life within Malakal. So when you look at this situation, okay, we can see it that the government is not in control. The government of Upper Nile or under Jacob Dollar, because if they are in control, this situation could not escalate. As we have heard tonight, it is really a big fight, and if not controlled, this will brought too much problem within Malakal, not just between the Dinka community and the Shole community, also all the citizens that are living there, their life will be in danger, or they are already in danger. And this is what we have. The Abishok militia attack, the joint operation, just a combination of many forces, but most of this combined force, they are from Sholo community, which are Agwele force under Johnson Ring, according to the report that I have. And Mishituo Mshalinga, Kodan Shituo Kamalakal, Uherama, Ormdit, Tejuboni, but can Lia can report. Then Lia Dana Shaling to Kenya. And go the court work before that, government but the right anything. And then after that, force, joint operation force, I will have got kill, allow they can we they can go. And Guazamo, Abishok militia, watch out on a gabaliot. Then Chaka bin station and Guasmo Kajan Guaram to call you to. So right now, quick on outcome. Later on, I will come back with more information Kajan this developing story. And we are taking one and reported in. Bye.